Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Jahanzeb Aziz and you are watching Swera News Network. Dear audience, today a great celebration was held in Municipal Committee Shorecourt regarding the week of respect and glory of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. This ceremony was held under the supervision of Assistant Commissioner Shorecourt and under the vision of Prime Minister of Pakistan Imran Khan and the vision of CM Punjab Usman Buzdar. The purpose of this ceremony was to glorify the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam in the eyes of the world, where different propagandas are in hand against the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam and the Muslim nation. As these ceremonies are being held in all Pakistan and especially in the Punjab province of Pakistan, therefore the Member National Assembly Sahibzada Muhammad Amir Sultan and Member Provincial Assembly Asif Kathia also took part in this ceremony. And the people of every department participated in the ceremony and paid homage to the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. You can see all the highlights of the coverage on Savera News Network.